Hello and welcome back to part 4 of the Greenclaws mask restoration. This is how far I've got so far. It's looking really good now. I've done about as much. I can add a few more layers of latex on here, but it's about as good as I'm going to get him. I've done the side repair there, as you can see. And on the other side, that was really bad. That is all done and repaired. Basically, there's a small piece of EVA foam behind here inside the mask, and then I slowly built up layers of latex. I didn't really want to show that on camera because it's a bit boring at times, but yeah, the overall is really good now. So the next stage is to fabricate some new ears. Now luckily I have still got the dimensions there of the ear. Now I might not get it 100% correct, but the ears are probably going to come out somewhere like that, I should think. I have got a photo of them. I managed to screenshot a photo from one of the episodes, which you can see here. So what I'm going to do first is I've got some tinfoil to make the base, like the temporary base or the layout of the ear, and then I'm going to use some air dry white clay, and then I'm going to add some cards to separate like half of it, let's say, and then I'm going to do a plaster mold. Now once that plaster mold is done, I can then cast it in latex. So let's continue. Right, so I've just scaled up a photo of the ear, and I think it's not too bad. I quite like that actually. Yeah, I think we'll go for that. So I know I need to make a template, aluminium foil template, and I know from the photo that his ear here, it is more dipped in than it's actually showing in the photo, so we can do that. And back here it's more of a point. So that's what I'm going to do now, is make the foil template, then onto clay sculpting it. So let's continue. Okay, so that's one ear sculpted. I've got it near enough symmetrical as possible, so I'm pretty sure they used the same, exactly the same either side. So that is the ear done. So what I'm going to do now is get some playing cards and the card, like an edge halfway in between the mould or the sculpture. Use some playing cards all around, and then I'm going to let this dry because it's air drying clay. So that will be the next step. So I've now, so I sort of skipped forward a little bit. I did make a mould and I casted these, well not cast, latex. They've got foam inside of them, just to try and pack them out a bit, and that is covered in latex mixed in with the foam just to add a bit of cushion to it. So this is the next stage. It's contact adhesives on top first, and then a couple of layers of latex over it, which I've been slowly doing. I'm just going to keep building a bit more with latex because it was quite thin when I took out the mould. So that's my next stage, is to do that. Then the other side will be going on like that, and then I give it its final correct colour coating onto the ear, and then we can start adding the fur that comes out. So that will be the next stage, but I think that will be it for now. And what I will do for the next video, we will do, well, I will do the unveiling video of the final look of Greenclaws. So I hope you join me then. Bye for now.